Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry part 3. Here we'll study the area of polygon in coordinate point terms and also the section formula. So what is the polygon? Polygon is area surrounded by a straight lines. So a smallest polygon is triangle is the area surrounded by three sides 1, 2, 3. So what is the area of this polygon ABC? Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this one is x3 y3. So area will be, you write in such a fashion that x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and then repeat x1 y1. And this minus this one, this minus this one, this minus this one, half of this. For example, this one x1 y2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 y3 minus y2 x3 and plus x3 y1 minus y3 x1, and this is half of all. This is the area of triangle. So how we will prove it? So you can prove it very easily. Suppose this is triangle, and this is our x and y axis. So this one x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this one is x3 y3. So there are three trapezium. What first trapezium is this one? Suppose this is A1, and second trapezium is this one. This is A2, and third trapezium is this one, A3. Then triangle of area of triangle is area of triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Will be A1 plus A2 minus A3. So this length is Y1, this length is Y2, and this is X2 minus X1. So this trapezium will be half into Y1 plus Y2 into X2 minus X1. Similarly, second Y2 plus Y3 minus this one is X3 minus X2. So X3 minus X2. And third A3. A3 is Y1 and this is Y3. So Y1 plus Y3 and that one, this is X1 and this is X3. So X3 minus X1. If you solve this, you will get this one. So triangle area you can find. So in the last chapter, we had proved that three line is collinear. So if three line is collinear, then the area of the triangle will be 0. So that also polarity of the line can be proved by proving to prove to prove collinearity of points. You can prove what you can prove x1 y2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 y3 minus x3 uh, x2 by 3 minus x3 by 2 plus x3 y1 minus x1 by 3, that is equal to 0. Actually half is equal to 0, but half is we get here and it will be 0. See, if you are able to prove this, you can prove that the points are collinear. Now area of polygon. So polygon. So first quadrilateral same thing. You can write like this: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, and again repeat x1 y1. So the area will be half into x1 y2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 y3 minus y2 x3, this minus this minus this, and plus x3 by 4 minus y3 x4. So this minus this is done. Now next x4 by 1 minus y4 x1, and this will be the area of quadrilateral. So similarly for n sides polygon will be half x1 by 2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 by 3 minus y2 x3 to xn y1 minus yn x1. So this will be the area of polygon. So now come to the section formula. So section formula is, suppose 2 points x1 y1 and another point that is x2 by 2. So here is the some point that is xy, and that is divided into m is to n. So what will be the value of x? X will be x1 into n, this one, just opposite, and plus m into x2 divided by m plus n, and y is equal to n into y1 plus m into y2 divided by n plus m. So how you can prove that? You can prove that very easily. Suppose this is triangle, this is also triangle, and this one is x and y, and this one is x1 y1, and this one is x2 y. So what is this length? This length is x1 minus x minus x1, and this is what length? This is x2 minus x1. So, and this one is m. So m is to n is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So just to solve it, mx2 minus mx1 is equal to nx. x2 minus n is, this is m plus n. Sorry, m plus n. So nx plus mx minus nx1 minus mx1. So minus mx1 x1 get cancelled, and x is equal to x, here you take common, the m plus n, and this you bring this side. So mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n is equal to x, and y is equal to m my1 by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n. So this way you can find the any point in between which is dividing m is to n, that is x1 by 1, so x2 by 2. So this is called internal sectional formula. What is the external sectional formula? So external sectional formula is, suppose 2 point is there, x1 by 1, a and b, x2 by 2, and another point is c is here. So this is dividing, this one is m and this one is n. So this length divided by this length is m is to n, and this point is x by. So what will be the x? So x will be x2 into m minus x1 into n. Here it will be minus and divided by m minus 1. So this you can write in this way also, x1 minus n minus x2 minus m divided by n minus m. That way also you can write. So similarly by y2 m minus y1 n divided by m minus n, or can write y1 n minus y2 m divided by n minus n. So both formula will be. So for this chapter, this one is sufficient. In the next chapter, we'll solve some problem based on the sectional formula and the area of the polynomial. Thank you.